Hello everyone and welcome to my video tutorial on Java MySQL deployment. So having prepared the MySQL database in the client computer, we are now ready to install our Java application. But before we install, let me mention some items which I omitted when we created the setup file in the last time. So you may want to go through the creation of the setup file again. So what we omitted is including the icon of the application in the setup file. In the previous setup file we created, if we install using that setup, the icon of the application is going to be this normal Java cop, because we did not specify our own specific icon file to be included in the software when it is being installed. It is necessary to make your software standard. So you can create an icon file online if you have a PNG file representing your logo. You can do that online and it will convert it to an icon file. So you keep it in the directory. In my case, I put it in the top directory here of the software, and then we use that in the J package. So I'm going to copy the J package now and put it here. So it's still the same J package which we did before, but with some differences. For instance, I changed the app version to 2.0 because this is not the first version we are deploying. This is not a requirement for it to work, but it is necessary. The second thing is I now changed the jar file to 2.0.jar, and then I specified an icon file, which is the icon in the top directory, and then I specified a vendor, which is also necessary to make your software standard. So this is the company that is creating the software. Wait for it patiently. Alright, so the installer package has been built successfully. So let's check the file and see it has created ARMS 2.0.exe. So here we are back in the client PC. We are ready to install our Java software. The items we need to copy from the development PC is the setup file and the directory files. For example, this image folder, it has the photos that I used as a part of the GUI, so it is important to copy it. And also these ones are necessary directory structures. These two are necessary directory structures for the app. So we'll double click on this setup to install. We will be installing directly on the C drive because we want to be writing a lot of picture files when we are registering students to the app directory. So better not bother the program files directory. So we'll click on next, install. Yes. Finish. Now if we come to C, we discover that ARMS app has been installed. We can create a shortcut. Before you start using it, the important directory like photograph or pictures, you must copy it and put here. This one is enough to make it run. But since our software uses other directories, we cannot equally copy them and put here also. Now let's just copy this because it is something we are going to use later, but it's not like it's compulsory. So let's test our software by double clicking Alright, so here we are. System registration. We can edit or update the data. Okay. Student table is empty. Cost table is empty. Everything is empty, so we can begin entering data into the database from now on.